opening this ordinary Kinder Surprise egg. It's really, really, really special.
Let's peel it back. You can do it. Amaya. There you go. Well, it's almost off. There you go.
It's okay. It has a crack, but it's still tasty. That came apart easy. Put that right there. I need to bite some chocolate off there.
No. Oh, teeth.
I was just wiping the chocolate off with your teeth.
Oh, this one's tough. 1 second. Oh, I got it.
Oh, it's another. Mommy had. I have one of these. Mama can have this one.
What is it?
It's one of those tiger races. Let me put it together. I want to put it.
Here's the instructions. A little tiger wasp.
I'm going.
Car.
Come watch me.
Some of the other ones.
I'm gonna put the.
All right, good job.
We're not leaving yet, okay? We're not leaving.
It's cool.
We're not leaving yet because of the chocolate.
Oh, I put the chocolate over here. 1 second.
He's racing through the chocolate.
It looked like your nose disappeared when you did that.
Oh,
I want to see. Cute. Tiger racer.
and these are some of the other ones you can get.
Vroom, 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 vroom. You can go live with the Hot Wheels.
It says that you can get a rhino, a wolf, or a crocodile. We have this guy. Or you can get this guy.
All right, well, that was fun. Until next time.